Volcano Eruptions. A1.
Kind of going down the side of it rather than going in.
I think it's still going in now. Away it comes. Ooh.
Here we go.
Okay, wait. We have to wait for the chemical reaction to take place, I think. That's it.
Is that it, Scotty? Is that what it does? Wow.
Brilliant.
I thought it'd be like coming out all angles.
Will I put some more in from the...
Yeah.
Will I do that now
Do you know
while you
what?
video?
Do you want to pause for a second? We'll open it. Put. There you go.
Here we go.
Woo. Very strong, the smell of vinegar, isn't it? Oh, look at that oozing down the side now.
Keep putting more in.
I can't see. I can't see.
Add more.
We can always wash it out, dry it out and put more in. Start again. That was good. Well, I don't know, he was Scott and says, oh, I don't know, are we out
I
of...
think we might need more.
Oh, hold on,
hang on.
oh, hold on, we have an eruption. Here it comes.
Volcano.
Stench of vinegar.
Well, we're making a volcano here, so.
Fair play.
It's erupting.
Anyone got some chips?
Scott, you can show all your friends this.
Yeah.
We're gonna show my friends, okay?
Can I see?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Did you not see?
No, no.
Oh, it's video.
Oh,
Now, is that it?
Yeah, that's just.
Should I try a bit more? See if
More.
I'm thinking.
That's very good, that one.
Oh,
Very
very
good. He has it on camera here.
No, wait, don't wait till it stops.
Wait, we need clay.
No, we did it with his volcano. Don't start that one up again.
Oh!
What?
Sees the. It's like the lava is flowing. It's pretty good on this.
Very good.
Yeah.
Can't believe that's still going. Oh my god!
Yeah, I'd left his lead out and everything. thinking he would.
Will I put another spoon in? Hang on, do you want me to put another spoon in this?
What time's it anyway?
Huh?
What time's it?
20 past 4.
I can move for 20 minutes.
Oh my god.
Hold on, I'll be back in a minute. I'm not going to get away with it.
I have an idea, Scott, right?
Oh yeah, I have an idea! Oh my god! Ah!
Came in first there a second ago. I put a hole down through the baking powder so the vinegar goes through it.
in the middle of it.
Yeah, so it might get a bit more. I'll try and see this time again if it come out.
Thanks for watching. You do try this below if you want to. Question on below if you want to. So, we did get your subscribes. Check out these. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace out.
Let's go. going to be great on YouTube. Get Paul to put that up onto YouTube.